Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Arudista Ismail and I'm from 11 TKG B class. Now, I'm standing here to do a practical exam of speaking. So here, I want to explain these pictures. This is how make a beverage from a grapes, or usually we call it a luxury drink. Yes. Okay, first we need a ripe grapes. So ripe grapes is came from a garden or a land with a grapes plant. So how the company gets the ripe grapes? So for several companies is making a contract with the farmers, but moreover there are some of company that having own land for the grapes, and after that, after they collecting the grapes, there will be a transportation, will be pick it up with a truck, and after a long way to the facility or the factory of grapes or one factory, it will be going into the next step, that is crushing with a machine. So crushing uh, crushing parts is needed because for making this drink is need juice from the grapes, and after that will after done of crushing, the water will be taken and will be moved into the next step, that is a fermentation section. So the juice from the grapes, it will be doing an fermentation for making the taste more good and um, more better than the original grapes. And after that, we'll be going into the next method, that is pressing the grapes with some tools, and until the fermentation sections, it's still original grapes. So in crushing, for the real of the fruit, it's still on the bucket, and then the fruit and the juice, it's going put down in the fermentation tools, and after going to the fermentation tools is moving into the pressing, and in pressing section the grapes will be um, pressed with um, those things, and they will be take the water only or the juice from the fermented grapes, and after pressing will be go into a filtration section. So will be filtered, so there is no uh, what is that, a piece of the bracket grapes fruit. And after the filtration, it will be uh, move into the aging section. So in aging section, it's the wine will be, or the grape juice will be moved into a barrel, into a barrel. So in the barrel, there will be kept like a year, a month, or a decade. So longer you keep the wine inside the barrel, the price will be higher or will be have a greater quality. And after aging, we take an example like 10 years aging. So we'll be moved into the bottling section. So in bottling section, will be used like glass bottle, and there will be closed with cork. What's yeah, from wood, cork and bottle. And after that, for avoiding explode, or the wood will be not closing again, because in original or in wine, after they close, there will be an air that can explode, or a gas. So after putting wood or a cork in for closing the bottle, will be moved into next section. There is wax dip. So there is will be a red wax covering up the bottle. Usually they use a red wax, and in red wax also it can be searched by a collector. There is if the wax is overload or too much, the collector is searching for that wines, because usually there will be uh, more good for the taste, or they can sell it in higher price. But and after that, a restaurant, and after the bottling section and wax dip section, it will be moved into the supermarket, and will be bought by a lot of people for friends in when they eating. Usually a restaurant is buying for the wine and make it like a wealthy dinner or lunch. So there will be served for their customers with high price. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you. And this is my type of explaining this, how to make a wine. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.